Look how big these ones are. These are so amazing. And I just missed one big one over here. It was seriously trying to catch him every angle I do. But there's like loads over here. So amazing. So amazing. So amazing. Oh my god, that is so amazing. Look at them. They are so pretty. I think I'm gonna cry. No, I don't. Why would I cry over fireworks? Well, sometimes you could. You know, if they're really, really beautiful and you really are emotional, then probably, yeah. But these are so adorable. Adorable? They're so cute. Oh, someone over there. Some over there. Oh my god, luckily I caught that one. That was amazing. Oh, it's a small one. It's a purple one. I don't know where they are. I could have missed one. Oh, there we go. So cool. That was cool. Those are like whistle ones. Oh my god. That was amazing. Pretty. Oh my god, they are so pretty. Oh my god, they are so close to our house. It looks like they're coming out of the chimney. What if they were? They would be so amazing. Oh my god, they are so cool. Oh my god. Hey, that was awesome. My wish came true. Guys, I'm seriously now. I just missed a massive one right there. I'm so sorry. I'm going to try and do my best and see if I can get a bigger one. Whoa, there we go. I made it up to you guys. There you go. See, I was like, come on, get a rocket or a big firework at least to make it up to these guys. And I did. There was a big firework. There you go, guys. We have got a lovely view tonight. Seriously. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this vlog now because my battery is going. And so, yeah, happy bonfire night. Bye.